Another front clip example brought to you by Jared at WeberBrothers. As you can see, we've got two Subarus that are headed out the door for customer pickup. We're going to focus on the one in the back, which is a 2022 Subaru WRX in white. Very, very nice condition overall. As you can see, you get everything on the outside: hood, headlights, bumper, fenders, grille. You get the fender liners, you get the reinforcement. It's sitting on a skid, ready for the customer to show up and pick it up. I did note to him that we do have some paint scratches here. It's not perfect, but certainly usable. Great starting point. Get you under the hood here and show you what else you get. So as you can see, there's a baggie there. Plenty of goodies in that. The airbox, some tubing, the splash shields underneath it. Any other miscellaneous pieces that we throw in. ABS unit is still in this one. That's not promised. That's just a freebie for this customer. There's a motor mount as well. Same situation. But rad condenser fans. The hoses are all there. Washer bottle. Overflow bottle. Condenser is under the rad support. Cowl cover. The hood scoop. All included if you buy a 22 WRX front clip from us. If you have any questions, please let me know. Close the hood again here. You can reach me at 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. Again, my name's Jared. Sell a lot of front clips, as you can imagine, since we've got two sitting here. Dash is still in place on this one. That's not always the case. This one had some damage, so we did not save it, but that's generally how we ship them. Less airbags, less dash. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. My name's Jared. 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. You can email me on Gmail at JaredWeberBros@gmail.com, or you can also look me up on any of the social sites. You'll find me Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Jared Weber Bros. Thanks for watching.